welcome back to Cook&Fly. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today I want to share with you a beautiful Evercorn cheese. It's fully vegan and I know you will love it. However, before we start with the cheese, I'd like to kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel or just simply like it, or perhaps you can share it on social media. So our main ingredient for the cheese is cashew nuts. I place here almost a cup of plant-based milk, 2 spoons of nutritional yeast, 1 piece of garlic, 1 piece of clove, lemon juice and lemon zest, just 1 medium or small lemon. We're gonna use a bit of olive oil, salt, and our herbs de Provence, of course. Over here, these ones. If you don't want to put any herbs on it, you can just do it plain and it'll be like cream cheese. I'm gonna put this container on the side. Like I said, I have here most of the ingredients. I'm just gonna add the cashew nuts without making a mess, and some salt. And then you can use a high-speed blender or a food processor or this magic thing, whatever works for you. Sorry about the noise. Alright, now I'm gonna add a bit of oil. It's about 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, this is done. And you just have to make sure that there is no big chunk of cashew nuts. So the herbs, we're gonna put them around the cheese. So I have here a cheesecloth or any cloth you can find in your kitchen, and I place it in a bowl. I'm gonna spread the herbs all around where I want to put my cheese. And be very generous with the herbs because it's what's gonna add all the flavor to your cheese. Then we just pour it here. There we go. We have to cover all the cheese. So after this, we just cover it with a second cheesecloth and that's it. Keep the cheese for 24 hours in our fridge, so the excess of liquid will go through the cheesecloth. And now look at that. Doesn't it look amazing? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you could subscribe to our channel or just like it or simply share it on social media. I'll see you next week with a new episode or a new recipe. Bye bye!